What's up guys? So Toyota Verso guys, the oil light comes on the dashboard. Yun the reason why, as you can see, yung kanyang pickup, oil pickup na puno, nag too much dirty, no? As you can see. So that's the reason why the oil pressure sensor comes on the dashboard, because the engine is like kind of oil hunger, no? So as you can see, that's a lot. So that's normal thing. It's not normal thing na magkaroon siya ng ganito, dahil tungkol sa sludge is not normal as well. As you can see, that's very dirty engine. So even if, like, let's say we have to clean this oil pickup, as you can see, and then in the long run it will develop also another dirty thing. So there might be, after this we will clean, and then in the future we have to clean again because of this one. That's too much. Okay, the oil pickup is clogged, and for that reason it cannot suction anymore, no? They even try to strip this out, like, see that, to clean the thing. So there was already an issue on this thing, so we're gonna clean this out, obviously, and then hopefully we will not do it again. So that's the reason why that the oil pressure sensor appearing on the dashboard, like the oil light appearing on the dashboard, because the oil pickup dirty. Okay, so we'll clean this up. Oh god, as you can see there, that's a lot of dirty things. Oh god, that's why you have to, like, always change oil. Oh god, so we will clean this. See,